In today's episode, we're taking off the old cracked clear bra off the Project M3.
And by the end of the video, we're gonna go from this to this. Now, the M3 mechanically was really well taken care of, but the exterior definitely had its flaws. Besides the peeling clear coat, which we'll take care of in a future episode, the car was covered in a paint protection film. Now, you're supposed to replace this stuff like every 5 to 10 years, but some of the film on the M3 very well could have been on there since 2002. The film, especially on the rear bumper, the quarter panels, and the side skirts, is yellowing and cracked.
Alright, to remove the clear bra off of a car, especially if it's old and cracked like mine on the M3, you're going to need plastic scraper, steamer, preferably, or a heat gun would work too, you just got to be careful, and industrial strength adhesive remover.
Alright, to remove the old clear bra, start by heating up the plastic film with the steamer. And continue heating up the film with the steamer as you go along. The film is much easier to peel when it's warmed up. After you warmed up the film, take your plastic scraper and start scraping off that cracked clear bra. Don't worry, the plastic scraper won't damage your paint.
Alright, so you can see on the panel that we have a bunch of like adhesive still left over. So I'm gonna try to use this stuff I've never used before. Rapid remover. It's supposed to be what the pros use at the vinyl shops. See what it's all about. So you just spray it on 60 seconds, and then kind of scrape it off a little bit. But anyway, let's see how it works.
After 60 seconds, take your plastic scraper and start to lightly scrape off the leftover adhesive. As you can see, this stuff comes off pretty easy. If you need to, you can spray some more remover and do another pass. After all the big chunks are gone, I like to do another light pass with some remover on a microfiber. Man, was it so satisfying getting that gunk off. After you get all the adhesive off of the panel, rinse it with water to deactivate it, and then wipe it clean. Wow, what a difference. Now just continue this process for all the other panels with cracked and damaged film.
Yo, if you're finding the video helpful so far, then make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more build videos like on the Miata or the Project M3, then make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see future build videos, current build videos, and just car videos in general. You know, something like liking and subscribing to a small channel like mine means a lot. It's free and it's easy to do. And again, I appreciate it very much. So thank you. Let's get back to the video. All right, status update on the clear bra removal on the M3. Got all the crack bits off. Wasn't too bad. It took a little bit of time. I think I've been working on this car for like, you know, over a number of days now, just slowly getting this stuff off. When it came to parts of the car, like the side mirrors where it was actually, you know, one piece, amazing. Came off really easy, no problems, not even that much residue to deal with. Now I'm moving on to some large panels like the hood, and now I'm getting some problems. It's one giant piece, but the plastic has been really worn down, I guess, from the sun. When I try to pull on it, it just rips. But this one's definitely going to take a little bit of time. Probably, you know, probably a couple hours work of just slowly getting through it. But we will get through it. So let's keep going. All right, the hood is off. I got the whole thing off finally. You know, just look at that. Look at that. So now, you know, just the next step, as always, for all the other panels, adhesive remover, scrape it off, rinse, wipe, and then we'll move on to the front bumper. Oh my god, it's done. The front bumper is done. It actually wasn't that bad. I would say it was probably one of the easier ones to get off. I don't know if it was my new technique or the fact that the clear bra was in better condition and I was actually able to peel it off in one piece. The front bumper is done. I mean, you probably can't notice it because it was a clear bra to begin with, but I'm super stoked that it's off.